Hello everyone, Captain Jake here at Paddletail Waterfront Adventures. I want to talk to you guys today a little bit about our summer migratory pattern of our animals. Those manatees have been sitting over the springs during the winter months. They're staying warm in that 72-degree water. Those manatees feel that nice warmth and they'll move off of those springs. And when they move off of those springs, they're going to feed in different areas around our bay. They have all this beautiful water that they're going to be in, that they're going to go around, they're going to be foraging, but we're always going to make sure you get a chance to come see those beautiful springs. So when we're done swimming with our manatees, we'll load you back up onto the boat. We're going to go find one of those cool springs and let you guys have some fun, swim in those springs and see what it's all about. And when you're ready for your summertime adventure, when you want to come out and go see those really cool springs, swim with our incredible manatees, look us up at Paddletail Waterfront Adventures. Look us up on social media. We're all over the place, and hopefully we'll see you guys on your summer vacation.